Hey everyone, I'm Mohan. Welcome to VirtualVisa. In this video, I'll walk you through the Hong Kong tourist visa process for Indian citizens. And also I'll cover everything you need to know starts from documents required, eligibility criteria, how to apply online, and some insider tips so that I'll make your Hong Kong trip completely hassle-free. So stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for future notification. Do Indians really need visa for Hong Kong? Yes, Indian citizens need a visa to enter Hong Kong, but they call it as pre-arrival registration (PAR). It's completely free, fully online, and it will just take 10 minutes of your time to apply. In this video, I'll help you to fill that short online form and get your Hong Kong PAR in just 10 minutes. Before starting, keep your passport and hotel accommodation details ready. Let's get started.
Go to Google and type Hong Kong PAR for Indians. You'll get a lot of links, even including the private website link, but just log into this particular link, which is official immigration link from Hong Kong Embassy. It's called www.imd.gov.hk. This is the official link. I'm going to give this exact link in the description below. Make use of it. Click this link and it will take directly to the registration page. Here in this page, it's a pre-arrival registration for Indians. So there is an option called apply now. Click on apply now. This will take you to few disclaimers. Yeah, this is the disclaimer page. Just scroll down and click the tick box and press start. Yes, before proceeding further, kindly check whether you have Adobe 7 software or above version. In case if it's not there, use this free download link to download it. Or in case if you have a printer, you can connect your printer directly to your system. Once it's done, just click continue. This is a small guidance note. Just again, tick this box and proceed further. This page is for eligibility, no criteria. Out of this, the important thing is an Indian national holding an Indian passport valid for at least 6 months. Again, I'm reiterating, at least 6 months validity has to be there in your passport. Scroll down, click this tick box, confirm and continue. This is the important final information page where you're going to enter all your personal details as per your passport. It's a one pager. I'll take this particular sample passport detail. We're going to fill the details based on this. Let's go to surname first. As per this image, the surname is Visit. Just typing Visit. And the given name here is Hong Kong. I'm going to type Hong Kong. Scroll down. Is there any alias in English on your passport? Any secondary name, any no local name or something? For me, it's nothing. I'm going to choose no. Have you ever been known by any other name? For me, again, no. Scroll down. Sex, marital status, all these things you can just choose as per your data. Date of birth, I'm just giving a dummy data of birth. 1 Jan. Just make sure you're entering all the details as per your passport. Click this, you will get a drop down menu. You can choose your exact town or city as per your passport from this list. I'm going to choose Bengaluru. Yeah. In case if you're not able to find your exact town or a city in this list, scroll down to the bottom of this list. You'll find an option called others. Click that. And in this box, you can manually type your town or city as per your passport. Whatever there in the passport, use the same spelling. You can write it out here. I'm gonna change this back to Bengaluru now. I'll choose Bengaluru for now. Yeah. Is your residential address in India? For me, yes. Again, type the exact address as per your passport. Choose your city and scroll down. Yeah, here contact detail, country code. I'm going to give dummy mobile number. Scroll down. Here passport number. I'm going to give again a dummy data as per this screenshot given. Place of issue. Mine is issued in India. I'm going to choose from this drop down list again. Then date of issue. Jan 2020 I'll give. Make sure all these details are entered as per your passport. And scroll down. Any previous travel to Hong Kong within past 3 years? For me, no. This is the first time. I'm going to click no. Scroll down. Any previous visit to foreign countries within last 3 years? For me, yes, I have one visit. I'm going to enter that detail. I went to Singapore in the month of April 2024. They had given four more column here. In case if you have multiple visit, please do enter all the details here, because they have passport in their hand. They will cross check all this detail. So make sure you have entered all the details in that passport. And out of this employment, I'm just choosing some random category, company name, address, and again city, telephone number, and here comes the purpose of visit. I'm going to choose leisure and proposed duration of stay. For me, I'm going to stay for 5 days. In case if you have a week long stay, you can choose as per your travel itinerary. Choose 7 or 1 week time, and here you have to input the exact no address of accommodation, hotel details. First, change the language to English. Mine is within Hong Kong, and just don't bother about this floor, unit, all those details. Directly go to this full address. Here you need to type your hotel name. You will get the entire address automatically, because all the hotels, almost all the hotels in Hong Kong are registered in this website. So you can just yeah, you'll get this drop down. From this you can choose your hotel and the exact location of your hotel. I'm going to choose random, I think IW hotel, and click continue. Here you can see it's already registered here. And next, fund available for your travel. Choose as per your fund availability. Local connection, for me, no. And in case if you have, just type and fill all these details here. And this part is very, very important. Just read all the questions carefully before answering. Experience hardship, no. Any arrest happened, no. Have you ever been refused a visa? No. Have you ever been refused permission to enter Hong Kong? No. This is the first time I'm trying for Hong Kong visa. Have you ever been deported? No. Do you seek to engage, have ever engaged in terrorist activity? Of course, no. Just read it out and answer all these questions. Then the identification question, just choose from this list. I'm going to choose first pet name. Yeah, I'm just typing it random name. Scroll down. This is the final verification validation process. Just type this text in this box, and you can click this confirm and continue. So this will take you through the confirmation page. Whatever the data you have entered so far will be reflecting here. Just cross check each and every column, spelling, date, exact number, mobile number, everything you need to cross check. This is the final step before submitting. Make sure all the details are correct before clicking the final submit button. Each and every category you can check one by one. Scroll down. You will have multiple options in the bottom of this page. Before that, just cross check all the detail. Hotel hotel address. Here it comes. There are two different options given here. One is I am the registrant, and the other one is I am applying on behalf of the registrant. In case if you're applying for yourself, then click this and just tick these two boxes and proceed further. But if you're going as a family, you want to apply visa for your wife or a kid for your kid, then you have to choose the second option. Apply this pre-arrival registration on behalf of the registrant. Then you have to give your name, your address, mobile number. I'm going to give some random address again, and your contact detail. Just imagine I'm going to apply for my wife here. My relationship with the registrant, husband, wife. Yeah, you can click that and click all these three tick boxes, and you will find these options. In case if you want to cross check this particular data, you can take a printout, and otherwise directly you can click this confirm and submit option here. This is the final notification slip for pre-arrival registration for Indian national. This you will get only after successful registration process. This is your final visa. In this, they'll mention all the details as per your passport, your notification slip number, given name, all the details what are there in the passport will be reflecting here, including your date of issue, date of expiry, everything. You have to physically take a printout of this, sign here in this particular box. They won't accept soft copy. If your pre-arrival registration is unsuccessful, then you will get this screen. From here, there is no option to again reapply no pre-AR. So the reasons behind this particular rejection would be mismatched passport details, incorrect information, and passport validity also they'll be checking. For that case, you have to go back to the immigration website again. Under our services, go to visa and entry permits. You have to start the process fresh. You have to upload all the required documents in the website. It's a very long process. It has to go through immigration department, so it will take 3 to 4 weeks time to get your visa.
And that's the complete process for getting Hong Kong PAR as an Indian traveler. It's very easy, it's very simple, no commission, no fees, no agents, nothing. I have shared the direct application link in the description below. Please do check it out. In case if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Virtual Visa for future visa updates and processes. Thanks for watching. I'm Mohan. We'll see you in the next video. Until then,